Hey there, welcome to my virtual diary. My name is Hannah and I'm a Filipina living in Sofia, Bulgaria with my husband Bess. Join me as I navigate my mid-20s in an unfamiliar place while finding balance between life and work. In today's vlog, we're going to explore the more traditional part of Japan, Kyoto. There will be a lot of walking and also we'll have a short trip at Nara Park. And just like that, we're in Kyoto. Welcome! We're checked in.
You do the honor.
We're staying at Fuji Hotel Kyoto Gocho for 4 days and 3 nights. We paid 406 leva and 1 satinki. The room is spacious and it's located in a quiet neighborhood. The only downside about it is that we had to walk at least 30 minutes from the spots that we wanted to go to, and the toilet doesn't have the seat heater and bidet. But other than those two things, everything else was good. It's nice going.
Oh my gosh!
Should we go down?
Yeah, that's where we're going. We can ride his.
You getting it?
That's awesome. That's nice.
Hello.
So cool and so close to the hotel. Look at that. It's so soft.
Yeah.
Like barely cooked.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Brown compared to the other.
We're going to Gion District by foot. It's a 30-minute walk from Yoshinoya. It's near our hotel.
Feels like everything is half an hour away.
Yeah.
I wanted that drink, that tea, but they don't have it.
We can check on the other one.
I don't know.
Okay, let's go. See your luck. Nope. Next one. What?
That one wasn't Lipton.
No.
Can you check the reviews? It wasn't Lipton.
It was color green. No luck. Let's go.
So handy. Royal tea with milk.
Serious about milk. Okay, just get that one.
I'm serious about milk. I'm really serious about it.
Is it hot? It's the same, babe. It's just BTS.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's the same. It's just BTS.
I thought I was going to call for a refund.
That's so cute.
It is. Okay.
Tell them where we're at.
Oh, I don't know. Kyoto somewhere.
We're on a bridge.
Only need to go straight.
Wow, that's so pretty. What did you get?
My favorite magazine, Chips.
From 7-Eleven.
Yeah, 7-Eleven. 11 special.
7 what? 7 what?
7-Eleven. Oh, the tower.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We're back. What time is it? 10:37. And what time are we going out tomorrow?
Are they going to give us on TV? This smells like real potatoes.
Ohayou gozaimasu. We're walking towards the Starbucks near Yasaka Pagoda.
I'm still loading, I don't know.
What time is it?
8:40.
8:38 in the morning. And I think we went to bed at
12:30.
yeah. It's
I don't
also
know.
loading.
I don't know
Yeah.
where I am.
We wake up early and sleep late here. So we can make the most out of it.
I came for the car.
We're looking for which train?
Orange one.
We're heading to Nara Park via the Kintetsu Kyoto line at Kyoto Station. We paid 760 yen each through our Suica card and the trip was less than 50 minutes. We're So how was the train ride?
Very good. Took a nap. I feel like a brand new person.
Okay, so we got crackers from there. It's 200 yen per wrap. You have to hold it high for them not to attack you. I have it here. Hello. Babe, it's looking at the bag. Oh, they really are jumping. You tired?
Yeah. There's a koi fish. To go walking.
Hello. You tired? The sesame, you first grind them and then you pour the sauce, this sauce, over it here.
I'm in awe.
This is pickles and this is a salad dressing.
I'm in awe. Wow.
You wanna start it?
Yeah. How she explained it so cool.
Babe, grind like, yeah. Because if you see, there's like a texture on the side of the bowl.
Come on. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, the smell.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you very much.
This got the chicken katsu and I got the pork tenderloin. Itadakimasu.
Thank you. You just have to. Sorry, is this thing open again?